Kugambe bikijaho bwanyuma y'emihonda n'ebire neerebuka omu kusherura akaruru ka National Resistance Movement aho abantu barebeshene bakora obuvuyo hagati y'abahagizi besimbireho ekintu ekyareetera Poriisi okurugayo n'okurabura bisooka ekituma yashobora ngu nk'ekitongore bahereze kwetebekanisa okureebuka ngu ebyokwerinda byabaho Omukaruuru.
We experienced incidents where people were hiring goons. Vehicles were getting vandalized, and a number of assaults were registered. Actually, I remember by last week we had made around 60 arrests overall, and more have been made since then, but all in the name of making sure that we have the exercise move on smoothly.
Ahantu ho yayongera akashobora ngo ebitongore byone byokwerinda nibija kwetaba omurimo ogu okurebuka ngo ebyokwerinda byahamizibwa.
Everybody is a player in the electoral process. The difference is what role you play. Otherwise, all security agencies in Uganda are under task and obligation to lay a hand in ensuring that this electoral process is peaceful and is secure.
Muringo nugo gumwe ekitongore ky'enshonga z'omundu omu ihanga ekya Internal Affairs okurabira omu mugambirizi wacu Simon Mundeyi kiine obuhabuzi obukyaha abanya-Uganda boona abarikutuura omu Uganda abarikwetenga endangamuntu za Uganda.
Get the LC endorsement and then go to LC3. Get the endorsement of LC3, but most importantly, get the endorsement of Gombolola Internal Security Officer, GISO. Let the GISO officer endorse, and on it, this is very important, put NIN. This is very important. Why? Why should the GISO officer put NIN? This is to frustrate those people who have been forging these letters from Lufula.
Muringo nugo gumwe ekitongore ekiri aha muhigo gw'okuronda biraro mukama w'ekitongore kya Skypins ekibire nikitwara abantu aheeru Christian Asimwe orikumanywa nka Don Chris bwanyuma y'okuryangatanisa sente z'abanya-Uganda abarikurenga omuri 350 akatoroka.
Tetunaba kufuna endowooza oba okweyogerako kwa Don Chris. Police likola investigations naye nze mbadde Chris wona woli oveeyo okomewo eka oje tule wansi twogere kubanga iriza side emu yokka side yo tetunabakuliza tetumanyi kikyabaawo.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa